Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. My topic is helping others. So, do you like helping others?
Yes, I really like helping others because firstly, it's a symbol
Eh,
of
Good,
humanity,
good. It's our moral duty, something like that. Yeah, carry on.
and if it's a really
Okay, no worries. Answer again. Do you like helping others?
yes, I really like helping others. Firstly, it's a symbol of morality, and if we help others, then
Okay, that's good. How should we help others?
we help others by giving some money or
Okay, so you can use here signpost language. First of all, we can help others by giving them some money.
okay.
Secondly, we can also share our things with them. For example, we can share food, sometimes we can share clothes, and finally, if anybody needs help, we can give them emotional help as well. We can motivate them, encourage them. So these are the ways we can help people. Try to talk like this, okay? All right, how can parents teach their children to help others?
How can parents?
Parents can set practical examples in front of their children by helping others in front of children, something like that. Okay, so make up your mind. I'm answering all the questions myself. Okay, so you have to answer, all right? Okay, now I'll ask you some questions and you have to answer. What kind of clothes do you like?
Um, I like long dresses to wear when I go outside the home, and I prefer hijab as well. So I like gowns
Okay,
and
just try to expand your answer a little more and try to
okay,
speak confidently. Okay,
okay.
now let's go on. Do you prefer to wear comfortable clothes or fashionable clothes?
I really like to wear comfortable clothes when it comes to visit somebody, and
Okay, do people wear Western clothes in your country?
uh, mm, a very
A small number
a
of
small number
people
of
wear
people wear
Western clothes like
Western
jeans,
clothes.
t-shirts.
Yes,
You need to expand
correct.
on your answer. If your answer is short, your band score will also be short.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to expand. At least there should be 5 to 6 sentences,
Okay.
and there must be a proper conclusion at the end of each answer.
Hmm.
Okay, so next time if I ask you any questions, you need to answer and try to be talkative. For
Okay.
example, do you like fashionable clothes or comfortable? Well, it depends. If I go to wedding, I always prefer fashionable clothes because other people also wear fashionable clothes. But on the other hand, if I'm traveling or I'm staying home, then I always prefer comfortable clothes, something like that. Okay?
Okay.
Be talkative, answer every question, talk frankly, happily, impress the examiner, and then you'll get good pen score, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.